12 super useful gadgets for students. Students, let's face it, college life, school projects, and everything in between can be a whirlwind of deadlines, lectures, and multitasking. But what if there were gadgets designed to make your life easier, more organized, and way cooler? From cutting-edge technology that simplifies your study sessions to practical tools for everyday tasks, the world of student-friendly gadgets has something for everyone. Imagine staying on top of your assignments, breezing through your day with convenience, and tackling academic challenges with innovative solutions that make you wonder, why didn't I know about this sooner? These gadgets aren't just tools. They're game changers that can redefine the way you study, work, and even relax. Mayteen Anti-Theft Laptop Bag with USB Port. This backpack isn't just a bag. It's a fortress for your essentials. Designed with anti-theft features, including hidden zippers and compartments, it ensures that your valuables remain safe, even in crowded spaces. The addition of a built-in USB port allows you to charge your devices on the go, making it a perfect companion for students who are always on the move. Its sleek design and ergonomic straps make it comfortable to wear all day, whether you're heading to class, the library, or coffee shop to study. Inside, the bag boasts a spacious, well-organized layout with dedicated compartments for your laptop, books, and other essentials. The water-resistant material adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring that unexpected rain showers won't ruin your day. This backpack isn't just practical. It's a lifesaver for students who need to stay connected and organized, no matter where they are. LiveScribe Echo 2. The LiveScribe Echo 2 is like having a digital assistant in your notebook. This smart pen doesn't just write. It records everything you hear and links it to your notes. Imagine jotting down key points in a lecture and being able to play back the exact moment your professor explained them. This gadget is a game changer for students who struggle to keep up with fast-paced classes or need to revisit complex topics later. What's more, the Echo 2 syncs with your devices, allowing you to store, organize, and search your notes digitally. No more flipping through pages of scribbles to find what you're looking for. Its sleek design and intuitive features make it a must-have tool for anyone looking to enhance their learning experience and take their productivity to the next level. Temperature-controlled travel mugs. Say goodbye to lukewarm coffee and hello to perfectly hot beverages with a temperature-controlled travel mug. Designed for students who rely on caffeine to power through late-night study sessions, this gadget keeps your drink at the ideal temperature for hours. Whether you're sipping coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, you'll always have a comforting boost of warmth by your side. Beyond its thermal capabilities, this mug is built with portability in mind. Its spill-proof lid and compact design make it perfect for tossing into your bag as you dash out the door. And with a sleek, modern aesthetic, it's as stylish as it is functional. A small luxury that makes a big difference in your daily routine. Rocketbook Everlast. The Rocketbook Everlast is a reusable notebook that feels like it's straight out of the future. Write your notes with the included pen, scan them with your smartphone, and instantly upload them to the cloud. Then, simply wipe the pages clean and use them again. It's eco-friendly, endlessly reusable, and perfect for students who are tired of lugging around bulky notebooks. With its advanced technology, the Rocketbook makes organizing your notes a breeze. Assign symbols to specific subjects or tasks, and the app will automatically sort your scans accordingly. It's the ultimate tool for staying organized, saving paper, and keeping all your important information at your fingertips. Sumiski Pillow Cushion Laptop Table. Long study sessions just got a lot more comfortable with the Sumiski Pillow Cushion Laptop Table. This versatile lap desk provides a stable surface for your laptop, complete with a built-in wrist rest for ergonomic support. Its cushion base conforms to your lap, making it perfect for working from your bed, couch, or even the floor. The table also features a slot for your smartphone or tablet, keeping your devices within easy reach. Whether you're typing up an essay, watching a lecture, or just browsing the web, this laptop table transforms any space into a cozy, efficient workspace. The Gisulife F8 Pocket Bear Fan. Stay cool during those intense study marathons or sweltering summer days with the Gisulife F8 Pocket Bear Fan. This compact handheld fan is both adorable and powerful, delivering a refreshing breeze wherever you go. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry in your bag, and the built-in battery ensures you're always prepared for the heat. What sets this fan apart is its versatility. It doubles as a power bank to charge your devices in a pinch. Whether you're studying in a stuffy library or walking across campus on a hot day, this gadget keeps you comfortable and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. The Fomomo D30 Bluetooth Label Maker. Organization has never been easier or more fun than with the Fomomo D30 Bluetooth label maker. This portable device connects to your smartphone, allowing you to design and print custom labels for your notes, binders, and study supplies. Say goodbye to messy handwriting and hello to professional-looking organization. The label maker's compact size and user-friendly app make it a joy to use. Whether you're labeling study materials or adding a personal touch to your dorm decor, this gadget helps you stay organized and express your creativity at the same time. Spiral To-Do List Notepad. Keep your tasks in check with a Spiral To-Do List Notepad. This simple yet effective tool helps you prioritize your workload, break down big projects into manageable steps, and stay on top of deadlines. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around, so you can jot down tasks and ideas as they come to you. The notepad's clean layout and durable construction ensure it can withstand the rigors of student life. It's a practical, no-frills solution for managing your time and staying productive, one checkbox at a time. MaxULA Blue Light Blocking Glasses. Protect your eyes during long hours of screen time with MaxULA Blue Light Blocking Glasses. These stylish frames filter out harmful blue light from your laptop, tablet, or phone, reducing eye strain and improving sleep quality. Whether you're studying late at night or binge-watching lectures, these glasses are a must-have for digital natives. Their lightweight design ensures comfort, even during extended use, while their trendy look makes them a fashionable accessory. Give your eyes the care they deserve and tackle your screen-heavy schedule with confidence. Portable Laminator. The portable laminator is a game-changer for students who want to preserve important documents, projects, or notes. Compact and easy to use, it allows you to laminate anything from ID cards to study guides, giving them a professional finish and extra durability. This gadget is perfect for creating long-lasting study aids, such as flashcards or cheat sheets. Its lightweight design and fast operation make it a practical addition to any student's toolkit, ensuring your hard work stays protected and pristine. The Gadget Upgraded Portable Neck Fan. The Gadget Neck Fan is the ultimate hands-free cooling solution for students on the go. Worn around your neck, it provides a steady breeze to keep you comfortable during walks to class, outdoor events, or even intense study sessions. With adjustable speeds and a lightweight design, this fan is both practical and convenient. Its innovative design ensures that you stay cool without compromising mobility, making it an essential accessory for staying focused and fresh. The Shot Clock. For students who struggle to wake up on time, the Shot Clock is here to save the day. This wearable alarm doesn't just beep, it vibrates or delivers a mild electric shock to ensure you're out of bed and ready to tackle the day. The clock's app allows you to customize your wake-up experience, ensuring it's effective without being overly harsh. It's the perfect gadget for anyone who needs an extra nudge to start their morning off right. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.